Welcome to Peppa Pig's Parrot. Play. Great.
Choose a slot to use for this game.
Dot toys.
Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Why not give it a go in the Feed Polly Parrot game? Dot to dot.
Great.
Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete.
Peppa. Okay.
Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Are you sure?
Okay.
You can win a sticker for every picture you complete.
Rocket.
Touch the numbers in the correct order to complete the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. You're very good at counting. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot.
Okay.
Polly wants 5 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers.
Okay.
Polly wants more.
Great.
Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 red crackers.
Oops, wrong cracker. Try again.
Oh dear.
Polly wants a yellow cracker.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here.
Bye bye.